Welcome to the Top Foreign channel. In this video, I will showcase one of my top strategies for utilizing affiliate marketing to generate a daily income of $900. I will demonstrate the setup process live and put it into action, showing you the potential earnings. If it proves successful, you can easily replicate the method with a website that has a track record of generating free traffic, enabling you to start earning money online immediately. Now, the initial step to start making money using this approach is to visit the website warriorplus.com. This platform serves as a hub for affiliate marketing, where you can explore various products and initiate advertising. To access the available affiliate marketing products, simply sign up for a free account on the website. No product creation, website development, automation, or marketing experience is required. Once you begin promoting, you can earn money by obtaining a simple affiliate link or URL. I will demonstrate how this process works shortly. To get started, you need to create an account by visiting the free sign up section. Click on the Create Account button, provide your username, password, and email address, and confirm your information to proceed to your new account. As you can see, there are currently no sales, but by clicking on Offers, you can explore all the available offers on warriorplus.com. This is all you need to do. Simply navigate to the affiliate section and follow the instructions. You can make money from any of these products by selecting them, creating a basic affiliate link, and promoting them. I will now demonstrate how to find the best product for you. I will show you how to earn $900 per day using a specific offer, starting with Affiliate 1. By accessing this offer and examining the product, you can see that it includes various upsells and additional offers that potential buyers can choose from when promoting it as an affiliate. For example, if you find a buyer who purchases only the first product, you can earn $8. However, if this buyer decides to buy all the upgrades, you can earn $8 from the initial product and an additional $18, $35, $90, and so on. All these upgrades showcased on the website result in earnings for you. To proceed, simply click on Request Approval at the top and provide some information. You can say, "Hey, I'm interested in promoting the first product by vendor's name." Look up the vendor's name and enter it here along with your name. Upon conducting thorough research on the Warrior Plus platform, I have found that your product, specifically the one called Affiliate 1, is of high quality and appears to be legitimate. I kindly request permission to promote it, as it would greatly benefit me. I have a substantial email list, a significant following on social media, and an advertising budget at my disposal. Therefore, all I need from you is what you already possess. If you are interested in utilizing this method to advertise your product using your free traffic, social media, email list, or allocating a budget for ads, please note it down here. These vendors are eager to learn about your marketing approach. Once these requests are prepared, simply click on Request the Offer and expect a response within 12 to 24 hours or possibly even instantly. While awaiting approval, I would like to share a quick tip I use to maximize the potential earnings from this plan. Visit getresponse.com to proceed. This platform offers free tools for creating email marketing campaigns, building websites, implementing marketing automation, and more. As you can see, you can access this tool for an entire 30 days if you're a complete beginner. Since I have been using this tool from the very beginning, I can assure you that once you start benefiting from it, you'll likely continue using it, even with the paid version. Now let's create an account on GetResponse, and I will guide you through the subsequent steps and reveal a secret hack to optimize your results. To begin, navigate to the Contact section of the website, where we need to establish a list. Select Create List and enter Affiliate 1 list as the designated item. Next, we'll create a landing page by accessing the Tools section. Our goal is to design a simple page that will help us build our list and start generating profits. Click on Landing Pages and you'll find a link to create a landing page. I will guide you through each step in detail as we construct this website to attract people to our list and maximize our profits. Let's proceed by choosing the Build from Scratch option. Next, click on Display the Templates and choose a suitable template. Let's name it Affiliate 1 and proceed to the next step. This will be the page we create and promote as the initial step before introducing the Affiliate 1 program. The offer on this page explains how to earn over $1,800 per day passively and outlines a simple 3-step process for replication. You can observe the presence of various testimonials and all the necessary elements for earning money. If you intend to promote this offer and use a website for it, we need to develop something similar that will direct visitors to this system and captivate their interest in its benefits. Now I will create this page and you can copy it into your GetResponse account. Additionally, you can duplicate the wealth page to create one for yourself. Before we delve further, I would like to give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful so far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. As you can see, this page is straightforward, featuring a headline, a subheadline, and a form where users can enter their name and email address. Once they click yes and submit it, we will have access to their email accounts, enabling us to send them additional emails and offers in the future, thereby increasing our revenue from these customers. Create an autoresponder series using content that you can easily obtain from any of these affiliate marketing packages. This sequence will maximize the potential for earning more money from your clients and increase the likelihood that the prospect you are about to acquire will make a purchase, ultimately earning you money. At this moment, I recommend visiting GetResponse and constructing a basic website that resembles the one we discussed, as it has proven to be effective. Simply copy it as a starting point. Now, recreate the exact steps I took and replicate the process. You can customize the mobile version on GetResponse. Once you have done that, click on the next step and proceed without a mobile version at the top. Upon landing on this page, scroll down and establish a connection between the list and the connecting list. If you already have an autoresponder sequence, you can add it at this point. Locate the affiliate one list and set the date of the cycle. Then change the thank you page by selecting a custom thank you page. Simply enter a URL that you will obtain from this affiliate one feature in your Warrior Plus account under the custom URL field. Once you have been approved for this offer, you will find your new affiliate link. It will look like this after you receive approval. When you scroll down, simply click on Publish. I will now demonstrate how you can profit from this. Whether you choose to utilize free traffic or paid traffic, once you have the product and the page, you can generate sales and earn money. Just copy this link and paste it into one of these free traffic sources, such as listjoe.com, which is the most popular traffic source I am using for this strategy. You can start sending emails to over 1,000 home-based business owners using the free social email marketing platform, ListJoe. Simply sign up, enter your email address, and complete the process in under 5 minutes. This email list is free to use and works exceptionally well. By using it solely for affiliate marketing offers and including them in your emails, recipients will click on the offers and make purchases, allowing you to profit. However, you will not acquire their email addresses. In contrast with a website like the one we created, users will enter their name and email, and by clicking yes and sending it now, they will be directed to the offer. You can verify that an email has been added to this list by going back to the email marketing section, selecting contacts, and clicking on the affiliate one list. In other words, your goal is not just to make sales, but also to build assets. And one of the most valuable assets you can develop is an email list or an email marketing campaign. The Hercules.com website serves as the second traffic source for this strategy. It is similar to ListJoe and provides access to up to 320,000 members to whom you can start sending individual emails. This means you can combine websites like ListJoe and Hercules. You can set up multiple accounts on Hercules, send 1,000 to 10,000 emails per day, and begin earning. And that's it. If you enjoy similar content, please check out my other videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.